The diagram shows parts of a curve whose equation is y equals log 10 of x squared plus 1. Use a trapezium rule with 5 ordinates, 4 strips, to find an approximate value for log 10 of x squared plus 1, the integral of between 0 and 1. Giving your answer to 3 significant figures. The graph of y equals 2 log 10x can be transformed into the graph of y equals 1 plus 2 log 10x by means of a translation. Write down the vector of the translation. So I've got the part of the question here. So let's have a look at it then. The first thing is to do the trapezium rule to this particular function. So let's paste in the trapezium rule then. Here it is here. Okay, so we want the trapezium rule here. So let's put down what y is. Y is equal to log 10 of x squared plus 1. Okay, now b, we're going from 0 to 1, aren't we? So b equals 1, a is 0, and we need 4 strips and 5 ordinates, so n is 4. So b minus a is 1, over 4 is a quarter, h is a quarter, so h over 2 is an eighth. So let's put that in here and here. So h was a quarter, and h over 2 is 1/8. Okay, so let's have a look at the ordinates now. So turn our attention to that. So we've got x0, x1, x2, x3, and x4. 5 ordinates, 4 strips. We're going from 0 to 1, and h is 0.25, so it's a quarter, a half, 3/4. So there's our x ordinates. The y ordinates is equal to log of 10 of, so let's put them down. Okay, so we got log 10 again, log 10, and log 10 at the end. Let's see what we've got here all the way through then. So y0, put x as 0 in here, we get log 10 of 1, which equals 0. Here the next one, quarter in here, 16th plus 1, 17/16 then. Put a half in, half squared is a quarter, 5 quarters. Put 3/4 in here, 9/16, so 16/16, 16 and 9 is 25 over 16. And then the last one, put 1 in, 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so I is equal to then. So what have we got? This we can label as I, to save us writing it again. It's 1/8. The first and the last, isn't it? The first and the last. 0 and log that, so it's just log 10 of 2 plus 2 lots of all the values in between, and there's 3 values in between, aren't there? So it's going to be log 10 of 17 over 16 plus the other 2 values. Log 10 of 5 over 4 plus log 10 of the last one is 25 over 16. Close that bracket for the log, close the bracket for the 2 times, and then close the brace for the 1/8 of the end. So let's type that into the calculator then. So we got 1 divided by 8 times bracket, and it's log 10 of 2, log 2 then, plus 2 times bracket, log 10 of 17 over 16, close the log, plus log 5 over 4, close the log again, plus log 25 over 16. Close that bracket, close the bracket for the 2 times and close the brace at the end, equals 0.117, isn't it, to 3dp. So that's equal to 0.117, and that was to 3 significant figures. Okay, so that's part A done. And now part B, The graph of this is transformed by a translation to this. Write down the vector of the translation. Well, the y value is just increased by 1, isn't it? Because this is identical to the above with a +1. So we just have to write down the vector. So part B. Oh, that's the next part of the question there, isn't it? So let's just keep that there. So part B. So our vector naught x move vertically upwards 1 in the y direction. There's our vector then.